I would like to demonstrate to you some of the expertise and knowledge and one of the promotion film by the GIS Research Center in the Feng University. I think this center, we've been doing a lot of different kind of GIS application in many aspects. As those aspects I mentioned in the previous talk, for example, like for the disaster management, for urban planning, for smart city, for some kind of smart logistic, for smart agriculture. Lots of this kind of application require different kind of software, different facility, hardware, and also communication skill, and the most important, the integration skill. For example, for the environmental monitoring things, we work together with several private industrial companies and also with governmental agencies together, developed the kind of permanent monitoring station in the wild creek area, especially for the high-risk potential debris flow area. And also in urban area, we work together, put a lot of different kind of sensors together, and all the sensors are published and analyzed everything in standards. So we just follow the international OGC standards to transmit and also to publish all the information back to the managers. And as for some of the reservoir, the dam monitoring things, we also work together, put a lot of different kinds of sensors and constantly monitor the water level and all the numbers, all the pressures. And also for the smart logistic, we put a lot of different kind of sensors in different trucks, different vehicles. So 24 hours we know everything. And also for one of the big cultural event in Taiwan, we also have this kind of monitoring to develop the tourism things. And for water resources management, we adopt a different kind of like satellite image, air photo, and also we have our own UAV free group. So for the UAV group, we can develop a lot of different kind of photos, or even carry some of the sensors with the thermal one or with the near infrared one to detect some of the spectrum reflectance. And also we've been working together with the TV company to broadcast the 101 fireworks in New Year, and also even for the baseball league in Taiwan. And the highest building in Taiwan, the 101 building, which has 508 meters high. So from the top we see above Taipei. So when we say the GIS can be applied in a smart city, so we talk about open data, everything has to be shared, the big data, the Internet of Things, and the cloud computing, and the most important, information integration. So which means everything has to be integrated together, because none of the organization, none of the country will be able to do everything by themselves. So we work together with Japan, work together with the United Nations, work together with NASA. A lot of information. One of the very successful information is we work with Japan, trying to identify if there are any kind of water existent evidence in the moon. So we try to analyze several billions of the moon's satellite resources information. And also we work together with all the different countries, different international organizations around the world to develop a lot of things. So the philosophy of the GIS Center is integration, interoperability, and good communication. And the most important is the sharing. So that's the philosophy of the GIS Center. So that's why we call ourselves try to promote a lot of different kind of GIS issues